Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today's topic is use of dict writer and dict reader functions. If you want to write a dictionary directly to a CSV file, then you need dict writer function of CSV module. And if you read this type of file, you need dict reader function. For example, I want to write these three dictionaries to a CSV file. For that, I need to import CSV. Then I am opening the file. For example, the name of the file is test csv2.csv. I am opening the file in W+ mode because at first I am going to write to the file and after that I will read from the file, and I do not need any blank lines, so I am writing new line equal to quotes. In normal cases we need to create a writer object to write to a CSV file. In this case also we need a writer object, but here we need to create dict writer object using dict writer function of the CSV module. So I am writing d writer equal to csv dot dict writer, within parenthesis the file object using which I have already opened test csv2.csv, and you must look carefully the name of the function dict writer, where D is in capital letter and W is in capital letter, and this function will return dict writer object, and I am storing this dict writer object in the variable D writer. So D writer is referencing this dict writer object. That means using D writer I can access the dict writer object. Here you have to mention the field names. Whenever you are writing a dictionary to the CSV file, the keys of the dictionary will be field names of the file. So within a list I have to mention the field names, or you can see the keys of the dictionary, that is role, name, stream. And after that I need to write these fields to the CSV file using write header method of dict writer object. So I am writing d writer dot write header, and write header method do not take any argument. And in normal case we used to write using write row method or write rows method of writer object, and dict writer object also have these two methods. So using dict writer object also we can access write row method and write rows method. So to write this dictionary I can write d writer dot write row, and within parenthesis I can mention the dictionary that will be written to the file. So these three dictionaries are written to the file. So after writing I am pointing the file pointer to the 0th byte because now I need to read from the file, and for reading I need dict reader function of CSV module. Dict reader function accepts the file object using which I have opened the CSV file test csv2.csv, and I am iterating over the dict reader object to get the records one by one from the file. And here row is nothing but a dictionary. And finally I am closing the file. Let's check. You can see that after writing to the CSV file, it is displaying the records. If we open the CSV file, I think it will be clear to all of you. This is the file testcsv2.csv, and you can check that it contains these 3 records of 3 students, and I have written these 3 records using 3 dictionaries. Now I am going to show you how to write multiple records using DictWriter. And for that, after writing the header, I need to collect the role, name and stream from the user repeatedly. For example, sRole is the variable in which I am storing roll number. Then sname for name, sStream for stream, now here I am writing the dictionary, but I need to change the values. First role is sRole, then name is sname, stream is sStream. And after writing the dictionary, I am going to ask the user whether he or she want to write another record or not. If he or she want to continue, then he or she have to press capital Y or small y. Here I am checking if the user want to continue or not. If the user don't want to continue, I am breaking the loop. And after that, I need to point the file pointer to the 0th byte, and using dict reader object, I am going to read the rows one by one from the CSV file. Let's check. Enter role, for example, role is 10. For example, name Dholu, stream arts, want to continue, yes. Roll number 11, for example, Bholu. Enter stream commerce, want to continue, yes. 12, name Golu, stream science, want to continue, no. And these are the records. Now I am going to open the file. File name is testcsv2.csv. You can see that we are repeatedly collecting the records from the user and writing to the CSV file using a loop. We can use write rows method also. For that, I need an empty dictionary, and instead of writing here, I need to append the dictionary to the list. And finally, after breaking the loop, I need to write the list using write rows method of DictWriter object. DWriter dot write rows within parenthesis L. Now again I am going to run this program. Enter roll, for example 1. Name of the student is, for example, Ajay. Stream arts. Want to continue? Yes. Next roll 2. Enter name, for example Geeta. Enter stream science. Want to continue? No. So you can see that using write rows method we can write multiple record to a CSV file, and in this case I am writing using dictionaries. This is the previous copy of the CSV file. Now I am going to open the fresh copy. You can see our program is running properly. So we can write the contents of a dictionary directly to a CSV file using dict writer function, and using dict reader we can read from that kind of CSV file, and you can update a record of that kind of CSV file, and you can delete a record from that kind of CSV file also. And I am assigning this as your homework. You have to do this at your home. If you face any problem, any difficulties, you can call me, you can comment. I am always with you. Thank you for watching this video.